Hi, my name is Kimberly Potter. Welcome to the Cockrell Butterfly Center at the Houston Museum of Natural Science. Make sure to pick up a butterfly card before entering the center. This display shows us from 50 to 60 of the world's most exquisite butterflies, most located in the center. A butterfly's life cycle begins as an egg growing on the underside of a leaf. Then it moves on to the caterpillar or larva stage, also known as the eating and growing stage. Most caterpillars take from 10 days to 3 weeks to complete this stage. After the caterpillar is fully grown, it becomes a chrysalis or pupa, which is similar to a cocoon. This stage typically lasts 1 to several weeks. It is during this stage that most of the chrysalises are imported from tropical rainforests around the world, which are then taken here to the museum. In this case, you can see the chrysalises mature and complete metamorphosis into beautiful butterflies. Only after it hatches from the chrysalis is it then released into the center. The hall showcases a naturalistic setting of a rainforest, maintaining the average temperature and humidity of an actual rainforest. The Butterfly Center is very tall and has a large variation of plant and butterfly species. You could record the temperature at different levels and see how the temperature changes, then see which butterflies seem to like the warmer weather. You might also experiment on how the temperature changes affect the butterfly's behavior in different types of weather, like on a cloudy day. Does the temperature vary from the glass to the center? Notice the waterfall and the mist coming off. You could also record the change in relative humidity throughout the center. Many of the plants here in the center could also grow in Houston and could be used in welcoming some of your own butterflies home. If you live in the suburbs, you might explore where butterflies or caterpillars are found near your home. Also take into account when would be the ideal time to look for them. When you come, you are encouraged to observe the butterflies, although you are not allowed to touch them. We sometimes have butterflies land on the guests that visit the museum. Since the center is so similar to a real rainforest, it is very easy to examine the butterflies as if they were in the wild. This helps us come up with ideas about how to answer many of the questions we might have about butterflies, such as the different types of plants they like to eat. Do you see the iguana? Do you think it prefers the sun or the shade? What are some of the similar qualities that both iguanas and butterflies need to survive? The magnificent owl butterfly gets its name because its wings look like the eyes of an owl, which is used to protect itself against predators. These butterflies are native to Central and South America. Camouflage is not only used to protect the butterflies and scare predators, but also simply to hide from them. Do butterflies with better camouflage survive longer? What are some of the other habits butterflies use to protect themselves? When walking through the center, you can see all different kinds of plants with and without vibrant colors. A good question you could ask is, what are some of the colors that butterflies are attracted to the most? If we could answer this question, we would be able to bring the butterflies closer to us and thus enable the further study of these butterflies. We could then use these colors to bring a specific species of butterflies to a selected area. When thinking of problems, it is important not to stop there, but also to think about the solution to those problems. Coming up with questions helps us to better understand the topic we are studying. In this case, some of the questions you might ask about butterflies could also be used in developing a research project. Make sure to bring a camera to document the wonderful butterflies you see.